Hey everyone, this is your market update for January 2023. Welcome to the new year. Do remember, we are always generally bringing you stats from the prior month. So of course, our stats are going to include December 2022 closed data for the month for whichever county we're looking at. However, this feature for January's market update is going to first focus on Dallas County, and we're actually going to do a deep dive into a live shot of the MLS. What is going on in the MLS right now as far as active, pending, and closed transactions for the last 7 days? So we are looking at our dashboard of the MLS. So we're going to only focus on what is active, meaning what's currently available for sale. We're not going to look at active contingent, active kickout, or active option. These are things that have contracts on them. They could fall out, but we're just not going to look at them right now. We're going to look at pending. This means all deadlines have passed. There's really nothing. We're just waiting on closing to happen. And we're going to look at closed sales. Now we're going to tailor these dates to be 0 to 7 days because we want to get a look at what is going on currently in Dallas County. We've selected Dallas County, all price points for the current 0 to 7 days for pending, closed, and active. Okay, we're going to just filter those results. So that's 3,088 active listings in the last 7 days that are currently available. Now, it doesn't mean that these hit the market in the last 7 days. That's a different metric. These are just what is currently available over the last 7 days. So the first one that just happened to pop up is this one on Lee Drive in Dallas at 1.4 million that's been on the market for 130 days. But you can see there are ones that have been on 130 days. And if we filter this to show, there's ones that just came on the market today. So this is the range, but 3,088 active listings. Now that's telling us that we have inventory right now on the ground that can be seen by buyers. Let's take a look at what is pending for the last 7 days. That's 183 contracts. So 183 contracts in the last 7 days flipped into a pending status, which means they've passed most of their deadlines and they are going to close hopefully within the next 1 to 2 weeks. That's usually when they flip into pending, but sometimes it can be a little bit longer. And then we'll take a look at that final metric. I want to show you in the most current time period, what are we seeing? So in the last 7 days, what has closed? 207 properties in Dallas County have closed in all price points in Dallas County within the last 7 days. So that's just showing you real time activity is still happening. And there is somewhat of an uptick in activity happening right now, with buyers coming forward to present offers on properties. And some properties are getting bidding wars. Some are just getting offers in a normal time period of, let's call it 10 days to contract from the time they hit the market. Of course, there are always those properties that can take longer to contract and the ones that can go sooner. Ones can go with bidding war and ones can go without. Now, in general, what stats we're looking at for Dallas County is 207 have closed in the last 7 days. It was 183 that went pending in the last 7 days, and 3,088 were actually available. So there is inventory available right now. Of course, that is all price points. Okay, let's take a peek over at what's going on in our other markets. All right, everybody, this is your market update for January 2022 for Collin County. So Collin County had in December of 2022, this is closed data from December of 2022, they had 847 new listings come to market in December of 2022. That is a decrease of 7.7% prior to December of 21, which we did expect because that was the boom of COVID during that time. Our increase of days on market went up to 48 days on market. That's 100% increase over the prior year. Again, expected because we have a changed shifting market and we are seeing that properties take longer to sell. The price per square foot was $217. That is no change over the prior year. That is interesting, but December has a different metric than other months. So I'm not completely surprised by that, but just a tiny bit. Average price is up actually from the prior December 2021, $551,791 average sales price. And that is your Collin County January 2023 stats. Here are your stats for Tarrant County. We had 1,477 new listings come to market in the month of December 2022. That's 13% down over the prior year. We had 47 days on market now is our average to closing, or to contract, I'm sorry. And that's 88% over the prior year. That is a big gain in Tarrant County. Tarrant County has more days on market right now than other counties. Why would we be seeing that? Well, we do have a lot of new home construction in Tarrant County that is now sitting on the books and on the markets. It's available, but it's not contracting. And that is why now it's starting to sit there and take longer to contract. That's part of what's driving the price, days on market to go up. And then, of course, there are other factors for other areas driving it to go up a little bit. Our average price is now $407,718. That is 5.4% higher than the prior year, December 2021. That is a noticing trend right there. We are seeing increasing prices for homes different than what you might suspect. You might suspect that with an increase in interest rates, our prices would actually go down. They are in some areas, and in other areas, they are increasing. It does depend a little bit on your location right now. So you do want to watch this. It's another metric for us to study. Our price per square foot is now at $196 a square foot in Tarrant County. That's 7.7% higher than last year. So again, you can see that it's ticking up a little bit in Tarrant County versus in other areas. That's your January 2023 Tarrant County market update. This is your January 2023 Denton County market update. We have 805 new listings that came to market in December 2022. That's 7.3% down prior to the previous year of 2021. We do expect to see that because we are in a market where we are having a little bit less activity than we did during the COVID boom. Our days on market has increased in Denton County to 52 days on market. That's 147% increase over the prior year. If you recall, Denton County was moving fast like some of the other counties during our COVID boom, and it went real quick once something hit on the market. So I'm not totally surprised to see that high increase to days on market. One of the factors in Denton County is we do have new inventory that is sitting there available and ready to contract, and it's just eating up days on the market. That's new home construction is what I'm referring to. Our average price in Denton County is $526,602. That is 5.4% increase over the prior December of 2021. The number of active listings, 3,010, and our price per square foot, $218 a square foot, which is 3% higher than December of 2021. Just goes right along with our average price being increased over the prior year. That is your Denton County January 2023 market update. This is your January 2023 market update for Rockwall County. Rockwall County had 154 new listings come to market, and they had 56 days on market before it contracted. That is a 60% increase over the prior December of 2021, which is what this metric is compared against. Remember, in December of 2021, we were having a boom. Things were going really fast once they hit market. A year later, they're going a whole lot slower. And a big driver of that is all the new construction sitting there on the market, ready to contract with no buyers at this time. Price per square foot is now $202 a square foot. That is 6.3% higher than the prior year. And our average price is $455,957. Now that is down in Rockwall County compared to December of 2021. Yet our price per square foot is up. So that's a couple different drivers there. It could be both size and what's going on with new construction, adjusting those two. But nonetheless, we are seeing a little bit of less activity in Rockwall County. That's an advantage for those buyers who are looking to get something without a bidding war. And for sellers, what that's telling you is you need to hit the market sooner rather than later so that you can actively get your property sold and priced and moved so that it is not sitting on the market waiting for a buyer and potentially having to take less. That is your Rockwall County market update. See you guys next month.